Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Shabir Ansari is here. I need your support to get my first 1000 subscribers. As watch time has been completed of my YouTube channel, but the subscribers are far away. So please help me to get my first 1000 subscribers so I could go for monetization. It will help me a lot. Thank you. Okay, today we are visiting a complaint site where we have found a huge overflow. You can see the street is packed in this overflow. It is a busy street of this area, but due to this overflow, the pedestrians are taking a alternative route. So we are here to clear this overflow. It is a downstream manhole which is fully packed with this silt or mud. I will show you closely. Look at this. It is packed with this mud. We call it silt, and uh, and removing this silt from manhole is called desilting. We use this gadget for desilting of small sewer lines where the depth of manholes are less than 6 feet. We use this gadget for desilting, and for deeper manhole up to 20 feet or more than 20 feet, like somewhere are 25 or 27 feet deep manholes. At that points we use sewer diving techniques. The men have to enter into the manhole and remove the silt from the bottom of the pipes or manholes. Desilting of this manhole has already been done, and there is no flow of sewage. The desilting of next few manholes are also been done. Let's have a look on that. This waste material or rubbish is also removed from manhole. There are some few more manholes which are desilted. Desilting of deeper manholes are done twice in a year. First session is March, April, and May, and second session is September, October, and November. So we do desilting of deeper manholes for 6 months in a year. Second session has going to start very soon because this September has been started. June, July, and August are most dangerous part of the year as far as desilting is concerned, because the toxic gases are increased very badly in the manholes, which can cause a death of sewer diver in no time. Several lives has been spoiled while doing this deadly business in my country. My upcoming videos will be related to desilting of deeper manholes where sewer diver go into the manhole and desilt or clean the manhole from the bottom. I hope you will like that videos. Blockage of this sewer line is not due to rubbish or floating materials. It is because of this mud or this silt which is causing the blockage of the sewer line. This is why staff is desilting of this manhole so can this sewer line can go through easily. Now staff is making straight the steel bar to make the sewer line functional and for unclogging of the sewer line. Cleaning of this manhole is almost completed. Now staff is trying to unclog the sewer line from this manhole. If they are not going to succeed from this side, then they will try from the other side of this sewer line. By doing only desilting or cleaning of that manhole, the quantity of the sewage is decreasing. This sewage is creating mess in long area. From that side, staff didn't succeed it, so now they are trying from the other side of the sewer line and other manhole. They will not find any blockage because it's only a mud or silt which is blocking the sewer line. Here we go, sewer line got functional. You can see that the sewage is going back into the manhole very speedily. The level of the sewage is decreasing. Sewage is coming from both sides of these holes which are made for this purpose. Body satisfying unclogging has completed and the sewer line and drain got functional. All the sewage which was spread all around is going back.
पीछे बड़ा पानी जमा हुआ
The water level in this manhole is increased and it is full this time. Let's see what is the situation in next manhole. Sewage is coming from previous manhole, but it's not the maximum speed. Now the speed of the flow of sewage is increasing. You can watch that. Street is almost clear. Very few quantity or less quantity of sewage is right now, which is also going to clear. Street is almost clear now. Now the street is completely clear. Now staff is going to clean this manhole so it won't get blocked again. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.